It's a Sunday morning here at the Scarborough Town Center station. Probably around like 9:40ish now. Today we're going to be checking something out at Kennedy Station at the end of line 3. I don't have my line 3 shirt with me, but this works, right? But yeah, we're going to be checking out something on the GO portion, the Soho line part of Kennedy Station. They recently opened up the west platform, and they're currently demolishing the east platform from what I understand, so that's what we're going to be checking out today. Let's head upstairs to the train. Train platform now. You saw that eastbound train go by. Now we're just waiting for the west one, and we're gonna catch it to Kennedy Station.
Line 3 to Kennedy.
Just got off the train. As you may have saw in that previous clip, they're doing a whole bunch of construction. Progress is going pretty nicely along the Crosstown LRT, line 5. But enough of that, let's head on down to the second train platform. It would appear that escalator is broken. Interesting. But this one's working, but we're not going to use that one since that takes us straight to the subway platforms, and we're not trying to go there today. Instead, we're going to go to the GO train exit. So go down to the Concourse, and we'll just walk our way over there. Alright, so typically they make you go down through that tunnel to the Don Montgomery Community Center. That's where you usually catch the GO trains, but instead we're going to be walking that way. Let's go. And you can see here that they even updated this thing, because you could just pull this off and see the original one. But yeah, they updated it to show that this is the elevator you use to catch GO trains. Alright, so now we're here at this, just east of the Kiss and Ride. Over there's the bus terminal. As you can see, a bus is pulling out now. But if we go this way, you can see the south parking lot. But more importantly, there's this little walkway here that takes you to the GO trains. So yeah, let's keep going. Alright guys, so we made it to the train platforms. As you can see, as soon as you come through that walkway, you'll find these ticket machines. You'll also find an extra arrival screen. There is currently no trains running right now, so you won't see one pull into the station. But we can still check out the train platform, so let's move on, shall we? Platform access. Before I forget, there are actually no press or tap devices over there with the ticket machines. The sign says that they're just up this little ramp. And let's see if that's right. Let's see here. You know what, that's funny. I actually don't see any Presto machines here at all. Unless if they're like over here maybe, or something like that. But yeah. Yeah, I don't see any here. That's kind of interesting. Maybe we'll find the Presto machines later on, but so far I don't see any signs of them whatsoever. But if you look over there, you can clearly see that the original platform, I should say, is completely demolished, just like, except for the accessible portion of it. They do have one shelter still in place for some reason, but yeah, the rest of the platform is just gone. Just gone. And speaking of platform, this platform really doesn't look complete whatsoever. Like, you can see that the lights are exposed. There's really no ceiling to these indoor waiting shelters. Like, you can see like all the guts of the ceiling. That's kind of weird, I gotta say, that they would open it up like this early. I thought they would at least like put the actual ceiling tiles first, but whatever, you know. Speaking of which, I think this platform can only hold 6 cars, because if you look past the accessible portion, you can clearly see that it just ends randomly. So I would imagine that they're going to extend it north to accommodate the bigger trains. And yeah guys, let's just check out the south end of the platform to see if there's anything else to see here. You can see that they're using one of the enclosed waiting areas to store these guys, which is all right, you know. It's just, oh, here are the Presto machines way down here for some reason. I don't understand why they're just here in the middle of the platform, but they are running, they are up. I can check my balance if I want to. Yep, it works. It would appear that there's another entrance right here. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, this is just kind of in the more random spot of the south parking lot. They do mention that the accessible and tickets are where we were earlier. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this entrance of the platform. Let's see if there's anything else down on the south side. Yep, looks like they got another waiting area over here. They got benches out here, they got garbage bins, typical stuff for GO train platform. And I don't think there is anything else beyond this waiting area. Just looking. Yep, there's really nothing else down there. It's just continues down to the main line toward Union, and if we go this way, that takes you to Lincolnville. So yeah guys, that wraps up this mini video of the new west platform at Kennedy GO Station. I imagine that since this is not done yet, like it's not completed, we will do another update of this platform when more stuff becomes available. Maybe when they build the east side as well to accommodate the 2 trains. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm gonna go back down to the TTC station and go home. See you next time.